You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Hungarian composer. We'll be looking at how to say more composer names. There are many mispronounced too, names from music, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So, how do you say it? Zoltan. Stress on the first syllable. The L is silent if you wish. Zoltan. But the second tan syllable has to be elongated a bit, but not stress. Zoltan Kodaly. Kodaly. Zoltan Kodaly. It's how you say it. And now you know, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. There's this video that is actually pretty good, that explains it really well. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.